Losing someone you love changes everything. The silence in their home, the items left behind, the rooms that suddenly feel heavier than they used to. No one prepares us for how overwhelming this part can be. And while grief is deeply personal, you do not have to walk through this stage alone. At Harmony Homes by Amanda, we help families in Port Richey and surrounding areas with gentle support during the transition after a loss. Because it's not just packing, it's honoring the memory of a life lived and the love left behind. Whether you need help sorting and organizing personal belongings, preparing the home for family to keep, or getting the property market ready to sell, our approach is compassionate, respectful, and intentional. Every single step, we take care of the details, so you and your family can focus on what matters most: healing, remembering, and moving forward at your own pace. Harmony Homes by Amanda. We're here when you're ready.